How to add pictures in MS Excel sheet application. So first of all, launch MS Excel application on your mobile devices. Now once you come here, you can open your existing sheet or tap on the plus button on the top right corner to create a new one. Then choose a layout. Now, once you come here, you'll see an arrow button at the bottom right. Select on it. Then you'll see the option of Home. Tap on it. Then you'll see the option of Insert. Choose this option. From here, you'll see the option of Pictures. Select on it. Then you can choose any of these options if you wish to place over cells or place in cell. Then you can simply open your gallery and upload a photo, or you can open your camera, take a snapshot and add it to your Excel sheet. I'm going to open camera. Then simply take a picture. If you wish to, you can edit your picture. You can simply tap on Review and Edit as well. Once done, tap on Finish. Then you can edit the size of that specific picture you have added on your Excel sheet. So that's how simply you could insert a picture on your MS Excel sheet application. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.